Theory question 1. The time taken to buy fuel at a filling station varies directly as the number of vehicles V in a queue and varies inversely as the number of pumps P available at the station. In a station with 5 pumps, it took 10 minutes to fuel 20 vehicles. Find the A part of the question: relationship between T, P, and V. B part of the question: time it takes to fuel 50 vehicles at a station with 2 pumps. C part of the question: number of pumps required to fuel 40 vehicles in 20 minutes. Solution: this problem is joint variation because we have the combination of direct and inverse variation. A part of the question: relationship between T, P, and V. From the first statement, the time T to buy fuel at a filling station varies directly as the number of vehicle. If you are to interpret that separately, you have T varies directly as V. Then the second part, the same T varies inversely as the number of pumps. So you have T varies inversely as the number of pumps P. If you put these two statements together, you have this result: T varies directly as V and inversely as P. Anytime we are dealing with variation, we always replace the symbol of variation with equality sign. As you are doing that, you introduce K, the constant of variation, to multiply the right hand side. If you look at the question carefully, at a point the 3 parameters are given. This information is provided to enable you find the constant of variation which is introduced. So we are going to continue and replace P with 5, replace T with 10, and V with 20 in order to find K. Once K is obtained, we can now establish the relationship between the variables in the question. At this point, we have replaced the various parameters in order to find K. From here, multiply through by 5 to clear fraction. You have 50 equal to 20k. Divide both sides by 20 in order for k to stand alone. When you reduce, you have 5 over 2. In decimal form, you have 2.5. To answer a part of the question, you come back here and replace k with 2.5, and you have the relationship between the variables. B part of the question: time it takes to fuel 50 vehicles at a station with 2 pumps. That means the time is unknown. V is 50 and P is 2. To continue, you recall the relationship between the 3 variables. You replace V with 50, P with 2. Divide 50 by 2, you have 25 times 2.5, you have 62.5 minutes. That is the solution to B part of the question. C part of the question: we are to find the number of pumps, that is P, required to fuel 40 vehicles in 20 minutes. From here, P is equal to unknown, V is 40, and T is 20 minutes. Again, you recall the relationship between the 3 variables, which is this. You have to replace T with 20, V with 40 in order to find P. To clear fraction, multiply through by P. You have these results. You multiply from here, you have 100. Divide both sides by 20 in order for P to stand alone, and you have 5 points.